Welcome to Kevin's English Schools. You'd better like and subscribe or we will give you homework. Ever pondered the subtle difference between notice and realize? Well, we're here to clear up the confusion. Let's start by looking at their dictionary definitions. Notice is defined as becoming aware of something through attention or observation, while realize is defined as becoming fully aware of something as a fact or truth. At first glance, they might seem interchangeable, but there's a nuanced difference that lies in how we come to know or understand something. When we use notice, we're referring to the act of observing or becoming aware of something using our senses. It's about what we see, hear, touch, taste, or smell. For instance, if you walk into a room and say, "I noticed a strange smell," you're using your sense of smell to detect something out of the ordinary. Or if you say, "Did you notice the change in her hairstyle?" You're using your sense of sight to observe a physical change. On the other hand, when we use realize, it's about coming to an understanding or becoming conscious of something in our mind. It often involves a change in our understanding or awareness. For example, you might say, "I realized that I had left my keys at home." In this case, you're coming to an understanding in your mind about something you forgot. Or if you say, "She realized her mistake after the test," it means she became mentally aware of her error after the fact. In other words, realize is more about mental recognition, while notice is about sensory observation. It's the difference between understanding something in your mind versus detecting something with your senses. So, to sum up, notice often involves a more immediate sensory observation, while realize involves a deeper mental understanding. Remember, notice is about observing with senses while realize has more to do with mental awareness. So next time you observe or understand something, think about whether you noticed it or realized it.